within our culture and even the world over, it's good to have guests or visitors. But sometimes we don't know the social etiquette, the social rules which should guide us. Today, I would like to discuss on how to be an amazing house guest that the person who, or rather your host, will even invite you again. What should you observe for you to be an amazing guest? One is the issue of be clear how long you are going to stay. Somebody said it's not good for you to stay more than 3 days. Somebody said the fish start rotting after 3 days. So please be clear about how long you are going to stay. Don't say 2 days and then you end up staying there for a week. Be very, very clear. Secondly, don't show up unannounced. It is not good for you just, no matter even if it's your brother, your sister, your mother, or rather your father, it's not proper for you just to show up unannounced. It's important for you to tell the person, to tell the host you are coming. Don't try to say, this is a relative. It's not good etiquette. It's not good manners. It's important for you to tell your host you are coming at such a time. And then, when you are going there, it's important not to carry your pet with you. Your host may not be aware, or even carry your child. You go with your children. You go also with your very much afraid. Why are you carrying these people? And your host may not even be aware. That is also, it also applies even to invitation, like weddings and others. If the card has just said you, Mr. So-and-so, but it has not said Mrs., then please, if it is not +1, don't go with your wife or go with your husband. It's important to observe these etiquettes. Then it's also good for you to bring a good gift. Bring a thoughtful gift. It's not just any gift, but some gifts can be embarrassing. But try to think seriously a gift which is going to make your host happy. It's important always to carry a gift to your host. Don't just go empty-handed. Even if it's not a special gift, why don't you do some shopping when you are going to visit? Some people do not care. They don't even carry even a loaf of bread, even biscuits, and then they know their children there. And yes, then it's important also when you are there, follow housing rules. There is a time, this family has got a time when they wake up and when they go to sleep. Even if you have got some gadgets, don't try to say, I want to view the television, or there's a football match I want to watch, and then you stay there the whole night. You end up destabilizing the family programs. So please also make sure you know where you keep your shoes. Do you have to get in with your shoes? And if not, where do you keep them? It's important for you to understand where they keep the shoes. It's also important to know if you have got rules about keeping the phone out of the dinner table. No times, yes, it's very, very important. For there are some families who would not want people to be answering calls when it is dinner time. When it is dinner time, it is dinner time, and please, you have to observe these basic rules. Another point is the aspect of limiting your phone use when you are a visitor. If you continue making calls and receiving calls, it is a sign your host may interpret that you are boring to them. and you are not happy. So please, it's important to observe the issue of the telephone use. It's also important to act appropriately. Let's say now during breakfast, you don't just wake up and go to take your breakfast in your pajama or your night dress. Please, these are basic etiquettes. Please dress appropriately. Don't leave the truth to the imagination, even if you are going to take breakfast. It's also important for you to be self-sufficient. What do I mean by being self-sufficient? Bring your toiletries. Carry your toothbrush. Yes, carry your toothbrush. Carry your toothpaste. Yes, these things are very, very important. It's important to carry them. Don't go to your host and then you start even using their toothbrush or even their towels. There are some things which are so personal. It's also important when you are there, you can also restock the groceries. Restock the groceries. And when it comes to the time of leaving, leave the place cleaner than you left it. And before you leave, please appreciate your host and tell them thank you. And please don't become a bother on going to give commands. Tell them, leading them out to organize the house. Telling them that today I want to eat meat. And yet you have not even known even the financial strain you might have put on the family. Thank you very much. I hope you are going to think over this situation so that you become an amazing guest, and your host will be very keen and very happy to invite you back. Otherwise, have a great evening. Thank you.